Hi there, welcome back to the channel. My name's Maria. Today is another beautiful day here in Madeira.
Good day for some chicken wings. So I've cut the chicken wings into pieces, remove the tips. I'm gonna put about a cup of flour in this box, and then I'm gonna grind some black pepper and some salt. As you can see, I like a lot of black pepper. They just taste better. And I got some, of course, sea salt. I'm not gonna put too much of that in. 6 in, and I'm gonna cover it up. And I'm gonna shake it. That gets them all coated with flour. It's got a little bit of salt and pepper. That's it. Take them out, just put them on a plate, knock a little bit of the excess off. I like to cook the drums first. The drums are a little thicker and take a little longer. There you have it. 26 chicken wings ready. A little bit of flour left over. I'm just going to dump that. I'm just going to blanch the french fries. 150 for 4 minutes. So the oil is ready. I put the drums, I call them, into the oil for, I'm gonna do it for 10 minutes. I usually check them with a temperature probe. What a beautiful day. I usually check them with a temperature probe. I like the middle to be around 195 Fahrenheit. Oil's at 190 Celsius. Them up, now coated. So I just it's here to set me a timer for 10 minutes and we'll come drop the other ones in. Welcome to Madeira. Siri tells me it's time to check the chicken. Looks done to me. I'm just running a probe in one of those. Yep, they're done. Get them out and get the other ones in. 1, 2, 3. So I'll set a timer for 7 minutes on these. We should be good to go. I'll just put these other ones inside. You gotta love it. Siri tells me the French fries are ready. Let's go see. That's Madeira. Oh, they look ready. Nice. Turn that off. Let those drain a bit. We just got the table all set up. Put a little bit of salt on the French fries. Normally I'd let it roll off my elbow, but you know.
Oh yeah? Let's see you that now.
What's his name?
I don't know.
Salt Bay.
Those fries are so good.
Another meal, a couple glasses of wine.
Yep. Today's dinner is, well, a lot of carbs, but we had protein and some homemade bread. I had some vegetables to put aside, but well, you know, I think we have plenty here, so we're gonna get through this. And it's so good. So you gotta try Allan's recipe for the chicken wings. It's so simple.
Yeah, and
No,
you make a sauce, don't you?
I do.
Tell us about your sauce, Marie.
Okay. No, no offense to you, Allan. I absolutely love your chicken wings the way they are, just the way you prepare them. They're absolutely delicious. But because I like heat, I usually get a hot sauce. Piri Piri works best, or what's that American brand that we buy all the time?
Frank's Red Hot.
Frank's Red Hot is really the one I typically use. And I use Caesar dressing. Now this is really thick. There's no preservatives in this. This brand could only be, as far as I know, you could only buy this in Canada. So you just buy your favorite thick Caesar dressing. I take 2 tablespoons of that and 1 tablespoon of the hot sauce, and I mix it together in my little bowl. And then I take my chicken wings and I dip it, and I'm in La La Land, and that's it. That's all there is to it.
I'm telling you, you could put that in the gas tank. It's got so much heat in it.
I love it.
I do mine different. I put the chicken wings in the bowl. So I just take my chicken wings and I put my favorite barbecue sauce on it, and then I just toss it.
Oh boy.
Once they're all mixed up, put them on the plate. Lots of French fries, piece of fresh bread,
Want some butter for that?
glass of wine.
So good.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Have a good day. We had a nice trip today.
Yep.
That video will be coming forward. Please subscribe. Click the notification bell. Leave a comment. We really like your comments. Thank you very much.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit. Cheers.
So here's our, I call it our desert garden. Alan's been cleaning all the, I forget what these are called.
Cleaning the dead leaves off them so they're stronger. You look,
Yeah.
these 3 are done. The other 7 are not done. They just got
They've gotten so big. Oh
way
my
too many
gosh.
leaves. Yeah, they're so big. The dragon tree's doing good.
Oh, that's good.
So remember, it was only about a foot tall when we put it in.
That looks really nice. That's growing really nice. I forget what these are called. We had these.
I call them a pain in the ass.
Well, hey, look, there's some extra growing over there.
There's all kinds going on
Wow.
this side.
Well, we weren't sure what to do with this garden because this is at the very top tier of the land, so we decided to make it our, what did I call it? Our cactus garden or desert garden?
Our Tenerife garden. Our not Canary garden.
Our Canary garden.
Or Tenerife.
Well, the Canary Islands, Tenerife is part of it.
Island's like a desert. I call it Fuerteventura garden.
I don't know about that. But it's nice up here.
It's good sun.
But it's gonna look beautiful again. We just haven't been keeping up with the gardens so much.
What?
We haven't been keeping up with the gardens so much.
It rained.
Well, we've had a lot of rain, which rain and wind and the well, I'm not going to complain about the weather too much because it could be snowing, right? No, it doesn't snow. Anyway, just thought to bring you guys out here just to see what we do. Later on, I'm going to make some burrito breakfast. Egg burrito breakfast. So stay tuned for that. I'm sure Allan will work up a good hunger. Do you feel like having a big breakfast this morning?
No.
Oh. Well, I'm still going to go ahead and make those egg burritos. All right. Let's head back inside. You got the camera at the bottom.
It's jacked up though.
You said that wasn't supposed to be.
I know, but I'm sorry.